Is it time to buy or sell VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of July, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 17, 2024, our system has ranked VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.82. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has performed better than our system predicted, with a gain of 0.52%. This translates to an average return of 0.26% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The ETF lies in the lower part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $255.41 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 33.52% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 33.46% and 50.69%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests an 87.60% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 69.95% and 108.82%. This translates to a price range of $434.28 to $533.63 after a year. Our latest daily update for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor. The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF price gained 0.519% on the last trading day, Thursday, 18th July 2024, rising from $254.22 to $255.54. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4% from a day low at $250.01 to a day high of $260. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -5.22% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares, and in total, 13 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.24 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $283.07, and the lowest price was $136.10. Currently, the price is 9.73%, or $27.53, below the 52-week high, and 19.85%, or $63.28, below the all-time high on November 22, 2021, when the price reached $318.82. The following signals have been identified for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $269.15 and $261.75. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10th, 2024, and so far it has fallen negative $9.15. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 176 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 165 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. VanEck Vectors Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $254.22, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $9.99 between high and low, or 4%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.95%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF is at $264.89. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF encounters its first support level at $254.22. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been set. Is VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF a good buy? The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe VanEck Vectors Semiconductor will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, July 19th, we expect VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF to open down negative $0.357 and start trading at $255.18. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.